So, Dr. Shapiro, what's next on the horizon for irritable bowel syndrome? Are there clinical trials ongoing? How can patients get involved?
Yeah, well, thank you, Dr. Eshron. I think it's really an exciting time to be taking care of patients with irritable bowel syndrome. I've always felt like it was an exciting time, but I think looking at the future options that are in the pipeline, to say, that are being researched and studied to treat IBS, there are over 20 that are currently being studied. There are lists of some of the active clinical trials on the International Foundation for Gastrointestinal Disorders website that patients can look at to see where those trial sites are and if they might be eligible. And I think that the exciting thing is that for years we had very few options, and just even in the last 5 to 10 years, the options we have and our understanding of how and when to position those in a treatment of patients' IBS have improved significantly. And it's exciting to know that we're acknowledging, you know, 10 to 12% of adults have this condition. It's very common. And while it's not associated with cancer or early death, patients suffer an incredible amount from irritable bowel syndrome. And so the opportunity to take part in trials and to use these as these drugs come to market in the future is really, really exciting. So lots of hope on the horizon for IBS.